Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you find this video is especially for you, man. And it's giving you accuracy of around 75% in the Nasdaq. And let me show you results in the gold. 67% not so good, but good enough, you can say. And 72% accuracy in the gold in the 5 minute time frame. Actually, that is a very good accuracy. Let me show you here, like this one, how this signal is, indicator is giving you here. I will show you here, you can see. Okay, this one. Okay, this is really good one. Okay, and also I will show you some more indicators like this one, price section. Okay, this is price section. I'll go. Okay, and let me show you. Indicator is loading here, and you can see this is actually for the scalping. If you want to do scalping, then here you can see in the gold 5 minute. Let's see in the 3 minute time frame, because we are going to scalping. Okay, let me show you in the scalping. When you got the signal, here you can see, here we go, you can see scalping. Go to the buy position and take small profits only when you got, because there are a lot of signals you have. Hey, okay, here you can see this is the most recent signal here, you can see. Okay, and here when you got the signal, go to the open your sell position, take small profit, close the trade. Position, take small profit, close the trade, and so on. How this is exactly it is working. And the third thing here is, let me show you here. This is the actually the TMA band. Okay, normally the TMA band repaint around more than 50 to 60%, but my this is my TMA which repaint 15%. Okay, so the indicator that repaint, I will tell you this is repaint. Okay, but we are not dependable on only on the band. But if you are dependable on only bands, then of course you will not get the success. You have do not need to be dependable on bands. Okay, yes, depend bands will help you, but if you will only dependable on the band, then you will the band will destroy you. Okay, here you can see I add TMA with the 85% non repaint and just 15% non repainted. But here you can see RSI 100% non repainted. There are buy and sell signals. They are the buy and sell signal are dependable on the band. And this is the histogram, and here you can see when you got there are actually the our bought and our sold condition. I will give you whole details of this indicator, and I will show you this most recent MT4 system. This is for the binary option. If you are doing binary, then here you can see this is 100% non repainted, and you can see 83%, 81% different accuracies in different pairs. And here you can see uh, let me show you results. I do not need to explain, because all the things are available, clearly available on. If you go to the 5 minute time frame, okay, the accuracy in some pairs will be increased to the 91%. Okay, 91, 78, okay, and so on. Okay, in the 15 minute, and let me show you the results in the Euro USD and some more pairs. Okay, in the in some pairs like here Euro GPB, 100% accuracy, 100% in the Euro GPB. Okay, in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, it will show you different accuracy in different pairs. Okay, and here you can see how it will look like. Okay, this is that's mean signals false signal, and lost trade. Okay, and otherwise you can see the signal will be look like this one. Okay, and I will show you second, and this one, this line will give you the trend confirmation. According to the trend, you have need to open your buy trades. Okay, when the line blue one, that's mean buy trades only. When this one is red, only sell trades. Okay, and here we go. Let me show you how it look like this one. Gold 1 minute time frame. Here you can see. Okay, I show you this one. Okay, this one is really awesome one. Okay, just need to follow this one buy signal. When you got the buy signal, open buy position, and when the candle touch to the upper band, like close your trade. Okay, that's it. That another profit one, that is another good one trade, and you can see. Okay, let me show you some more here. You can see this one, close your trade here, open buy position, and here you can see. Let me show you. I do not need to tell because all the things are clearly available on the screen. Okay, you can see clearly. Okay, here you can see buy position, close your trade when the candle touch to the upper band. That's it. Otherwise, you can see this is trade is not profitable. Okay, and how this signal will appear? Let me show you. When the uh, both EMA lines come below from the band line, and when the cross happen, it will appear a signal. Okay, this is how it will look like. Now first we will discuss the whole details of this indicators, then we will discuss this and this MT4 systems. Here you can see this is the most powerful system. Here you can see 100% not repented. This is 100% not repented. This is 100% not repented except this band line. Okay, and this is 100% not repented. This is 100% not repented. Okay, and here we go. And now we will come first we will discuss this one. Okay, first you have to watch. There are our bought and our sold condition. When the RSI come upside from the upper band line, this is actually, here you can see RSI come below from the lower band line, RSI come upside from the upper band line, and there are a lot of conditions here. Okay, let me show you clearly visible. Here you can see clearly conditions are available where you will get a lot of positions where when the RSI goes below from the below band line, and let me show you an example. Here you can see RSI come upside from the upper band line. These are actually our bought and our sold condition. Okay, we have need to catch that moments. Okay, when the RSI come upside from the upper band line, and here you then you have need to wait for the histogram to the red, then open your sell position, take your stop loss. Okay, this is your high and low points. So also draw lines. So you have to put your stop loss on the previous high line, and then take profit when the candle touch to the lower band line. That's it. Okay, and here you can see this one position open at this candle. Okay, that's in not a very good profit actually. Okay, that is a very small profit. That's okay, but that's okay. Okay, okay, now here let's find out more conditions. Here you can see RSI come upside from the upper band line, but the histogram is green, so we do not need to open sell position, except we can buy position. Here we can open buy position. Here put your stop loss. Here put your stop loss, second stop loss, third stop loss, fourth stop loss, and you can see it's give amazing profit at the end. Okay, like here you can see for the scalping, that is another good one signal. Here you can see a scalping one, a good one signal. Okay, this is actually a scalping. Here you can see the RSI candle come below from the RSI color is also red one, and histogram red one. So you can see for the scalping, this is really awesome one. Okay, this one you can see clear by position, and you can see. Okay, so there are a lot of strategies here. First one is there are our bought and our sold condition. If you want, here you can see this is our this is the condition when the RSI come below from the lower band line, and here you can see you can open your buy position from this point, put your stop loss here, in at the end is give amazing profit. Like here you can see. Okay, like you can open your one more position here. Okay, and you can see. So here you can see sell position, and you can see it's give another good profit here. The buy position, and you can see it's give another good one. Okay, so after this one, here you can see our histogram. Let me show you histogram green at this point and this candles, and you can see it's give another good one. Okay, put your stop loss on the previous line. Okay, and then in this way, if you want to do scalping, then definitely this is the very good one. Okay, here you can see the RSI was upside, but here you can see RSI come upside from the upper band line, and here in this candle. Okay, let me in the previous candle, this one in the candle was green, so you open your sell position, and then in the next candle you can see it's a red candle and a very big candle. Okay, and it's give a very good profit again. Okay, and here you can see another one, and you can see another one. Okay, so in this way you can get a lot of profit. This is simple Oga 4.8. so we will hide this indicator, and now we will add simple Oga, oh sorry, price action algo. This is purely price action algo, and an indicator is based on the price action. Okay, hopefully you will understand and you know about the price action. Okay, sell position you can see on the next 2 to 3 candles profit book. Here you can see another one buy position, you can see good one. Okay, and let me, there are some reversal signal as well. Here you can see the reversal signal. Okay, and buy signal, you can see it's give a good profit, good profit, good profit. In the next candle you can see in the gold, like you see when you got the signal the price was 4790. Okay, and 90 market goes to the 78. Okay, that's mean actually more than $10 movement in the gold. Okay, that actually very good one. Here you can see when you got the signal the price was 90 4790, and 4790 market goes from 90 to 98 $8 moment easily catch. So you have need minimum profit around $7 or $5 moment easily. When you got the signal you can easily catch $5 to $7 moment catch. Okay, and here you can see this is the details here. I do not need to explain because all the signals are clearly and well arranged and you can see clearly visible. So this is 100% not repented price action, and I put a lot of effort to make this indicator. And yes, I know how this indicator work. This indicator actually work with the help of 15 minute, 1 hour and 1 day time frame. Okay, with the help of candles, last 4 candles in the 15 minute time frame, 1 hour and 1 day. Okay, with the help of like here you can see in the gold, four candles. Okay, 1 day time frame for last 4 candles, 1 hour time frame last 4 candles, and 15 minute last 4 candles. Okay, with the help of 15 minute, 1 hour and 1 day candle, it will arrange these signals. Okay, and it will also show you the trend confirmation here also. So we will hide this indicator and you can see how powerful is indicator this is. Now we will add some the last one, and the actually that is actually not a bad at all. Okay, 3 minute time frame in the gold around 70% accuracy, that actually not a bad one. Okay, but if you will see the accuracy in the 5 minute time frame, it will give you better accuracy. Like let me show you here 72% in the, if you go further in the 15 minute time frame, it's the accuracy is not good. So we will restrict the to the 3 minute time frame. Okay, and 5 minute time frame in the gold. Okay, here you can see in the, if you will move 1 minute time frame, then accuracy is 74%, but the results is not so good. Okay, so we will restrict and we will use this indicator in 3 minute time frame in the gold and 5 minute. And if you want to use this indicator in the Nasdaq, okay, then here you can see, let me show you. Here you can see 75% in 3 minute time frame, that actually 76%, that actually a good one, not a bad at all, that actually a very good one. Okay, 70% in the 5 minute time frame, that actually a very good one also. Okay, just need to follow with the purely if you know here you can see, let me show you something good signal here. Buy signal, sell signal, buy signal, sell signal, buy signal, sell signal, and it's 100% not repainted. Okay, you can see clearly visible, and it's actually a very good indicator. 100% non repainted, high wall non repaint. Okay, now we will discuss this our MT4 system in the 1 minute time frame. In the 1 minute time frame in the gold, it's giving you accuracy like this one. Okay, when the line is green, or sorry, blue one, of follow buy signal, and when the line is red, follow sell signal. That is actually very simple strategy. Okay, and you can see the details here. Okay, here you can see. Okay, how beautiful indicator it is. It's very good, 100% non repainted, and here you can see that's actually a very good one. Okay, now we'll move to the this one. I already tell you the details of this indicator. Okay, this is for the binary option, and 100%, 91%, 83%, different accuracies in different pairs, and here you can see. Okay, and if you will see the results in the gold, gold in the this is the third MT4 system, and just need to follow this one signals here. Let me show you. Buy signal, sorry, sell signal, take profit, buy signal, take profit. This indicator is TMA, okay, and buy signal. And you all know we are not dependable on band, okay, we are dependable on this signal. When you got the signal, open your sell position, and here you can see the most important thing is a stop loss, okay. When the this lines come below from this band line, okay, then open your sell position, put your stop loss on the highest point, okay. That is very simple. Here you can see when this line come upside from this band line, okay, this band line, then open your buy position with the previous low point is your stop loss, okay. And you can see accuracy. Okay, let me show you signals here. Okay, okay, here you can see that actually a very good one, okay. In the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, you want, you can use it, okay. In the 5 minute time frame, here you can see accuracy. Okay, here you can see that actually a very good one, very good accuracy, not a bad at all, okay. You cannot say bad, because this is really awesome, okay. So if you want in 1 minute time frame, then of course you can use in, if you want 5 minute time frame, then of course you can use in 5 minute time frame as well. Now the fourth one MT4 system is this one, okay. Just need to follow signal with the previous high point will be previous high, and previous low point will be your stop loss. This is stop loss, and you can see high self signal, put your stop loss, and you can see, okay. And here you can see buy signal, and you can see, okay. It will also show you the TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, 6 and 7, okay. And here you can see that is really good one, buy signal with the stop loss, and you can see so far TP1 is TP1 is hit, and now the market is still going on, okay. So hopefully you will love this indicators, and any question or any query you can ask me. And if you need this indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. Let me show you my contact details here. Here these are my contact details here. Yeah, okay. WhatsApp, Telegram. If you want to contact me by Telegram, remember write one at the end, okay. And Gmail, simple hoga @gmail.com. If you want to contact me by Gmail, I gave you the very informative and very good indicator. My indicators are paid, not free of course, and obviously you know about it. And WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail, any query or any question you can ask me. And for the next video, bye bye, take care, and hopefully you will love this video. And now it's time to subscribe my channel. For the next video, bye bye, take care.